Okay, so this exercise is a seated body weight clean and press. Okay, so we're pretending we're doing a clean and press exercise, but we're just seated and we're just pretending we're holding a bar. Okay, so we're seated on the edge of a bench or a chair and we're pretending that we are lifting that bar up to our neck area, okay? And then pressing it above our head, okay? And then we're going to come right back down, okay? This should be done nice and controlled, okay? I don't want any crazy jerky movements as you're doing this one. We're just kind of going through the motion of an actual clean and press, okay? So as you come up, you're going to slightly shrug your shoulders, almost like you're curling the bar up a little bit, and then press above the head and then let it come back down to the shoulders and then back down to your sides. Okay. So this is just kind of a fun exercise to try if you are unable to do things standing up or with weight. Okay. So go out, give this a try and make it a great day.